Welcome to our channel, folks. Today, we have a captivating topic to discuss that has been making headlines recently. Are you ready? We're talking about the possibility of a coming ice age. Yes, you heard that right. So, grab a warm blanket, sit back, and let's dive into the fascinating world of a potential ice age. Before we delve into the details, let's clarify what an ice age actually is. An ice age is a period of time when a significant portion of the Earth's surface is covered by ice sheets and glaciers. These periods can last for millions of years, and they have occurred multiple times throughout Earth's history. Now, you might be wondering, but isn't the planet getting warmer due to global warming? Well, that's where it gets interesting. While global warming is indeed happening and causing rising temperatures in many regions, it can paradoxically trigger certain mechanisms that lead to a cooling effect in other areas, potentially leading to an ice age. One of the key factors that could contribute to a future ice age is the disruption of ocean currents. Currently, warm ocean currents like the Gulf Stream play a crucial role in distributing heat around the globe. However, the influx of fresh water from melting ice caps and glaciers can disrupt these currents, causing them to slow down or even stop altogether. When warm ocean currents slow down or stop, the heat distribution process is hindered, and certain regions experience a dramatic drop in temperature. This could lead to the formation of large ice sheets and trigger the onset of an ice age. Another factor to consider is the Earth's orbital cycles. Our planet goes through cycles of eccentricity, axial tilt, and precession, which impact the amount and distribution of solar radiation received on Earth's surface. These cycles, known as Milankovitch cycles, have influenced ice ages in the past and continue to do so. So, what would the impact of a potential ice age be on our planet? Well, first and foremost, it would significantly alter the climate patterns worldwide. The areas most affected would be the higher latitudes, including regions like Northern Europe, Canada, and parts of the United States. These areas could experience prolonged winters, reduced growing seasons, and increased snowfall. Additionally, the ice sheets formed during an ice age would have a substantial impact on sea levels. As enormous amounts of water become locked in ice, sea levels would decrease, potentially exposing new land bridges and altering coastal landscapes. However, it's important to note that predicting the exact onset and duration of an ice age is challenging. The Earth's climate system is incredibly complex, and numerous factors come into play. Scientists are continually researching and studying these phenomena to gain a better understanding of the possibilities and implications. Finally, volcanic eruptions release vast amounts of gases, particles, and aerosols into the atmosphere. One of the most significant contributors is sulfur dioxide, CO2. When ejected high into the stratosphere, sulfur dioxide combines with water vapor to form tiny droplets of sulfuric acid. These droplets can remain in the atmosphere for an extended period, reflecting sunlight back into space and reducing the amount of solar radiation reaching the Earth's surface. This phenomenon is known as volcanic cooling or volcanic winter. The presence of these aerosols in the stratosphere creates a temporary shield that decreases the overall temperature of the planet. The cooling effect can be observed for months or even years following a significant volcanic eruption. One notable example of the impact of volcanic eruptions on global climate is the eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815. It was one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in recorded history, and its aftermath led to a year without summer in 1816. The eruption released an immense amount of ash and gases, causing a significant drop in temperatures worldwide and resulting in crop failures and food shortages. Now, let's talk about the more recent volcanic eruption of Hunga Tonga in 2022. While it was not as large-scale as historical eruptions like Tambora, it still had regional consequences. Volcanic ash and gases released by Hunga Tonga entered the atmosphere and had a localized cooling effect on the surrounding region. However, the global impact of smaller eruptions like this is usually limited in duration and scope, usually a couple of years. It's important to note that while volcanic eruptions can contribute to short-term cooling, they do not have the capacity to trigger a full-scale ice age on their own, but combined with the effect of a shutting down of ocean current may result in a year without a summer. The effects of volcanic activity are temporary and eventually dissipate as the particles settle or get washed out of the atmosphere. In the context of a potential ice age, volcanic eruptions can potentially exacerbate the cooling effect initiated by other factors, such as disrupted ocean currents or orbital cycles. The combination of these various factors can create a more significant and prolonged cooling period, increasing the chances of an ice age scenario. As scientists continue to study and monitor volcanic activity, they play a crucial role in understanding the interactions between volcanic eruptions and climate. This knowledge helps us better prepare for and adapt to potential changes in our environment. So, in conclusion, while volcanic eruptions can contribute to the cooling of the planet, their impact on triggering an ice age is influenced by a combination of factors and requires a more comprehensive understanding of Earth's complex climate system. So, what can we do to prepare for a potential ice age? Well, while we cannot control the Earth's natural cycles, we can certainly take steps to mitigate the impact of climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This includes promoting renewable energy sources, practicing sustainable agriculture, and fostering a global commitment to environmental stewardship. As we conclude today's video, we want to stress the importance of staying informed and engaging in discussions about climate change. While the idea of a coming ice age may sound daunting, it serves as a reminder of the delicate balance of our planet's climate system. Remember, change starts with each and every one of us. Let's work together to protect our environment, promote sustainable practices, and ensure a healthy and vibrant future for generations to come. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please like, share and subscribe, so we can inform you about a bit of everything that matters in this time of accelerated change. Thanks for watching.